Let's stretch out the default cube first. Draw a sci-fi design on it using the Annotate tool, then use Boolean shapes to make it real. Adding slice cuts is easy by using Boolean cutters with Solidity modifiers on them. Fill the recessed parts with pipes and other details. Add a Bezier circle. Using the curve modifier on the object, with the circle as the curve object, we can bend it. However, there's just not enough geometry, so the result is a disaster. Add a plane, then add a lot of vertical edge loops with Ctrl R and scrolling the mouse wheel. Select all faces of the plane in edit mode and press X to delete only faces. Holding Shift, select the plane and then the cube in object mode. In front view, go to edit mode and go to Mesh Knife Project. Now turn the curve modifier back on and you've got yourself a nice circular sci-fi rectangle. If you like this tip, you'll also like the Blender Secrets ebook, with more than 1,000 pages and more on the way. By clicking on a topic in the index, you are transported to the relevant pages. And clicking on the link at the bottom of the page takes you back to the index of 400 plus topics. To see the corresponding video on a topic, simply click on the topic title. Updates are always free for customers both on Gumroad and Blender Market.